Hi guys, welcome to Tech Bro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to duplicate page in Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat, then open a document. Now you have to click on this organize page, this one, organize pages. Now if you want to make a duplicate, you have to click on that specific page, then you have to click on control. I mention again, you have to click on control from your keyboard, press control and put the mouse like this and it will be duplicate. This one, it will be duplicate here. Okay, just click on control and drag the mouse and it will be duplicate. So guys, this is how you can make or make a duplicate pages in Adobe Acrobat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.